guys, it's Tracy, and I'm back with another video, and we have the Boxycharm. I was unable to score the Boxyluxe, even though I waited up all night. I stayed up because it was going to be live at 6 o'clock, and I was on there, and it kept taking me to the page, and I don't know how I missed it, but it kept telling me, like, you know, here's the link, you know, and it's like doing its thing, but I was unable to get it, and I was right on top of it, so it was just, I think it just came down to who was lucky and who wasn't. So I was not able to get that, so therefore I just have the regular size Boxycharm this month. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you think about subscribing before you leave and click the notification bell, and you'll be notified of future videos. And if you're returning, welcome back. Today on my eyes, I do have the Maybelline Soda Pop palette, and on my lips is the e.l.f. and Alyssa Ashley lip gloss. And this is my hair now, 4 inches shorter, and these are the waves that I am left with, and I'm liking it. So yeah, it is shorter, you're not seeing things. So let's dig into the box. So if you're not aware, Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription, and you sign up and they will send you a box every month with a variety of full-size beauty products. They are usually 5 to 6, or between 4 and 5, sometimes 6 products. It just depends on the month. So this month looks like the theme is Wildflower, and they sent me an email, and it told me that it already told me that I was getting the Lorax Baked Blush and Brighten. I kind of wanted to try the Galactic, but I do like this formula, and I don't have this shade, and this is $28, and I got it in the shade Tropic Hues. And this is almost the shade I bought when I bought the one I have, so I'm glad that I didn't get it. So there's that. They're kind of a glowy type of a blush, and I do like this, so I'm happy with that. This is $28. And then we got the Alamar Ojitos brush set. This is $18, and this is by the girl that did the Alamar Reina del Caribe palette. So the 3 little brushes, and these are $18, so I'm always excited to get eye brushes. Then we have this Pretty Vulgar Nightingale palette. That's what that looks like. Looks kind of dark and probably good for you know, the fall coming up. Let's see what it looks like. Just do a few little swatches here. Nice colors. We will test it out, and I'll let you know what I think of it. So this is said to be $35, and then I got a Lorax Pro Matte Lip Gloss, Lip Color, okay, and it's in a color that I will probably never, ever wear. I mean, we're talking bright. So let's see, this is $19, and it's almost like a big ginormous lip liner. Oh, it's not as bright as it looks in the cap, maybe. I don't know. I will try it out and see. Ooh, did I just squash it? I'll try it out and see if I like it, and I'll let you know. And if I don't, I'll pass it on, which is probably what's going to happen to this last item. This is the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. This is $19, and this is the little pizza cutter deal thing. Like, who asked for this? There would definitely have to be a learning curve with this, I would say. And I don't usually wear, like, liner like this, so this will be passed on to my daughter, and if I can get her input on it, I will let you guys know. So not a bad box. Let's add it up and see how much we've got here. Let's see, the Pretty Vulgar palette was $35, the Lorax blush was $28, the Alamar brushes were $18, the Lorax lip product was $19, and the Butter London was $19. So it was $119. Not the best box we've ever seen, and I would have kind of hoped they would have done a little bit better, considering a ton of us missed out on the Boxyluxe Box. So they could have added some better stuff this month, to be honest. So this is not my favorite month at all. I do like the palette and the blush and the brushes. I'm just not keen on these gimmicky type products like this. And this lip color is kind of pretty wild for me. I mean, you guys see me, I usually keep it pretty tame on the lips. I might go ham on the eyes sometimes, but the lips I usually am pretty neutral. So not the best value that we've seen. I mean, I've had a box that was almost up to $200, like $160 some. So since they knew a lot of people were going to strike out in not getting the Boxyluxe box, I would have thought they could have put some better items in our boxes this month to kind of compensate for that. But it is still over $100 value for $21. Like, what do you want, Tracy? Like, I guess I wanted more. So the thing is really pretty this month. It's got a pretty picture of some girls on here. And then there's coupon codes on the back if you guys want to shop at the Laura Geller website. It says you can get 30% off any order of new filler. What is that? Filler First Luminous Foundation or Concealer at laurageller.com, and you can enter the word Boxy, and that's valid through the 18th of October if you're interested. And it says that there's a VIP offer when you visit Sephora.com and search hashtag Say I Love You, and you'll be able to access a limited edition microderm abrasion bundle offer. Hurry while supplies last. So that is going to do it for Boxycharm for the month of September. God, can you guys believe this is September? I don't know where the year has gone. I'm going to have to change up my background. Oh, you guys see I already have some purple pumpkins. I haven't even taken them out of the box yet. And I have purple lights, so it's going to be hopefully really pretty, nice to look at. Stuff on my hands. So that is going to do it for me. I hope you guys are all having a great weekend, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.